Hello, Clear Bra, North Dallas. Getting underway here with a few Model Ys. The first one here is going to be a full wrap in white. Hasn't been touched yet. This is a blue. It just came in this morning for a full wrap in gloss blue. Here is a completed one in matte. So that's a matte, the stealth finish. All these are XPEL Ultimate Plus. So this is a stealth finish on this one, with XR Plus all the way around in window film. And then over here, this is a stealth finished up. We're gonna put the logos back on it here, but that's a blue with the stealth wrap, fully completed clear bra. And we got our moldings still need to go. We're getting this picture while we still have them. And this one here is coming in for gloss. All red, so we got red, blue, and white. So there you go. Got a few Tesla Ys getting underway here, and we'll get those all shown on our videos here in just a few. Probably be done midweek. And next up, a Ford Raptor, along with that Lexus over there. So have a good day. Thanks for watching Clear Bra, North Dallas.